CILAS is a French company, a subsidiary of Ariane Group, specialized in laser and optics technology. Founded in 1966, this high-technology engineering company was the inventor of the particle size analyzer. Today, it develops, manufactures and produces systems combining laser and precision optics in the field of high technology. Accounting. Products for the military represent 50% of turnover against 50% civilian. History. This company was founded in 1966 by two companies, CGE, Compagnie Générale d'Électricité, becoming Alcatel Alstom, and Saint-Gobain. The aim was to exploit industrially and commercially the work of laboratories working on laser sources and laser equipment. In 1983, it became CILAS Alcatel. In 1985, it was absorbed by two companies of optics, Soro Electro-Optics and BBT, Barbier Bernard and Chiren. Alcatel withdraws its laser activities in 1989, resulting in a change of ownership. In early 1990, the capital is divided between three companies: CEA Industries, now Areva, SAT and Unilaser Holding. Aerospace Group. CILAS Alcatel becomes CILAS. Meanwhile, from late 1989, the Unilaser Group also acquired the optronics division of Alcatel Marcoussis Laboratories and named it LaserDot. Unilaser now gather Quantal, Lisa, CILAS and LaserDot. From this moment, LaserDot and CILAS collaborate on joint projects. LaserDot is more oriented toward research and development, whereas CILAS toward industrialization and production. In 1994, SAT withdraws CILAS capital and shares of the two remaining shareholders passed to 57% for Unilaser and 43% for CEA Industry. On September 1, 1995, CILAS and LaserDot emerged into a single entity which retained the name CILAS Defense and Security. CILAS develops and manufactures different products in the field of defense and security. It offers laser designators, counter-snipers, optical sight systems, detectors, rangefinders, airborne laser sources and shipborne helicopters landing aids. The M4 Adaptive Unit for the ELT. BCREPI. 2009. Multifunction laser source for ground and airborne applications. BCREPI. 4th International Symposium on Optronics in Defense and Security in Paris. 2010. Mechanism of the liquid phase sintering for ND. YAG Ceramics. R. Ballistics. A. Matra. JF. Balmud, C. Saleh, Y. Rabinovich. 2008. Elsevier. 5 factors to consider when choosing a particle size analyzer. Nicolas Marché, PBE, I. 2010. Conference Ceramics Department, Optro 2010. Y. Rabinovich. 2010. Progress on the laser source for DIRCM presented for the 4th International Symposium on Optronics in Defense and Security in Paris. 2010. B. CRE Acute PY. 2009. Standoff Biological Detection by LIF. Laser-Induced Fluorescence. LIDAR. Optro 2010. O. Mayer. 2010. Temperature-insensitive laser for very compact designation function on small platforms. Optro 2010. J. Montagna. 2010. Official website.